Beneath the moon, I make a vow to love you always, here and now. The winter night is calm and still, but my love for you is constant, real. The world may change, the seasons shift, but our bond is a timeless gift. In the cold we find our way, guided by the stars, night and day. The promise I make under the silver light, to hold you close through every night. The moon will fade, but this will stay. Our love is forever, come what may. The winter's cold, my heart feels frozen. A season's chill, my emotions stolen. But in the quiet, you shine so bright, melting the frost with your light. Every heartbeat is a crack in the ice, a warmth that feels so sweet, so nice. You reach through the cold, make me whole, unfreezing the love that's in my soul. The world may freeze, but you keep me alive. With you by my side, I'll always survive. The snow may fall, but my heart is warm. With you, I found my home. A letter written on the last day, a goodbye to the year as it fades away. I think of the moments, the love we shared, through the storms we always cared. The year is ending, but my heart is true. I'll write this letter just for you. Through the highs and through the lows, together we've learned and grown. So here's to the past and all we've been, to the future where we begin again. This year may end, but love will stay. In my heart you'll always stay. Da 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 da. We're dancing through the winter night. Beneath the stars, everything feels right. Your hand in mine, we glide so free, like the snowflakes drifting with ease. The world is cold, but our hearts are warm. Together we weather the winter storm. With every step we feel the beat, in the still of night our hearts meet. Through the chill, through the snow, with you I found all I need to know. Dancing with you in winter's embrace, in your love I find my place. On Christmas Eve I close my eyes, a dream of us beneath the skies. The tree is lit, the world's aglow with love we've come to know. Snow falls softly on the street, we walk together, hearts and sing. You hold me close and time stands still. In your arms I warmth in the wind. The cold wind blows, but you're in my mind. Through the storm, I'm not left behind. You're the warmth that keeps me alive. Through the cold, you help me survive. The night is dark, but your love is bright, like a candle shining through the night. In every gust, I feel you near. You touch, your voice I hold so dear. The world may freeze, but we won't fall. In your embrace, I feel it all. The winter wind may howl and bend, but in your arms I'll always mend. December nights are filled with dreams of laughter, love, and distant streams. We sat by fires, warmth in the air. Now only memories linger there. I remember your smile, the way you glow, as snowflakes danced in the evening's flow. But time moves on, and here I stand with December's cold, but your hand. Though we're apart, your memory stays like the snow that falls in gentle waves. December may bring the frost and chill, but I carry you always still. Silent snow falling from the sky, whispers of winter as the days go by. The world turns white, covered in peace. In the stillness, my heart finds release. A cold breath, a fleeting touch. In your absence, I miss you so much. But as the snowflakes kiss the ground, I hear your voice, I feel you around. The night is long, but my thoughts are clear. In the quiet, you are always near. The snow may fall, but my love won't freeze. The winter sun fades, but you light up my day. Through the cold, you show me the way. Snowflakes fall, but I don't mind. As long as you're here, everything's fine. With every step, we leave a trail through the frost. Together we sail. Your warmth, like a gentle breeze, keeps me calm, puts my heart at ease.